Yes, people.
Outside.
Yes, them two ladies here. They cover there, but they're enjoying still, right?
Yeah. 10 out of 10 though.
You right?
What do you recommend? At first, we did not want to come. My dream is to go Betway, guys, and we're going to Betway. We're outside. Rocking back. You know?
How far did us go?
Yours. Marilash.
People, back again. Another video here, Extreme Water Sports, SVG. We're here at Kid Town Beach for round 2. We have some more riders here. And we're geared up, ready to go.
Good Valley in the house.
Yo, you put it outside. My mother, you got jump up. You finna go put me over? Yep. Hi guys, it's Kiara here. Round 2. Don't let back. Okay. Boy, just you get drop off for that. Queenie. Come on. Boy, just hold on. Yo. I don't need to hold on. I want to jump up though. Why are you scared, bro? You should have fun. You're crying. She's crying. That's not that bad.
I fight for my life, Danny. Not gonna lie.
Boy, lift it up. Boy, lift it up. It's actually fun. You want to be screaming and crying fun. And it's fun.
Jesus Christ.
We could switch.
You want to switch?
Yeah, we could switch.
Bro, you sure you want to switch?
Yeah.
Ria, hold on.
People, we got a birthday special today. I didn't even realize that. Birthday special coming up for the rider right here.
So we're ready to go. Picture, hold on. Wait.
You want wait, man, got any?
Okay, alright.
Got you.
Say hi. The girl.
Drive the bar.
So the girl has been fall off. And look, she right there.
Yo, the adrenaline. Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
But the girl has been fall off. The epic starts again.
My heart beating fast.
She like.
Have a nice.
That was right, man.
All of them. Select can't swim. Select can't swim. Tell them You don't need to swim. Just, you want to train to swim, you don't do the two, you know. Don't get checked. You train anybody who swim.